Guys, there's something really weird and quite demonic going on with the peace symbol. So basically, symbols and shapes all hold different energetic frequencies, they vibrate at different rates, and there's positive symbols and shapes that help with positive things, and then there's negative symbols and shapes that help with negative things. And often the positive shape, it's when you invert it or flip it upside down, it becomes the negative version, and it changes polarity to basically hold and enhance the negative intentions and energies of it. So look at the peace sign, yeah? The word whole, to be whole, to be holy, yeah? To be holy is to be whole. And that word comes from basically your soul, because our souls are meant to be whole and holy. What happened when we fell from grace, when we basically became unenlightened, our souls polarized into male and female. It split into two, so we were not whole anymore, we were polarized. And the whole idea of spirituality is to become whole again, to become holy, to unify the masculine and feminine within, and then your soul becomes one again, holy and whole. Okay, so it's whole, it's the one, it's the unified, yeah? So obviously the peace sign is a circle. That makes sense, like the circle is the whole, the circle is a whole, holy circle. It's the one. But the peace sign and the word peace itself, peace is a piece of the whole, it's not the whole. So the word peace is actually about separation and division rather than the whole and unity and oneness. So the shape itself, circle, awesome, but then for it to have the segments in it, it's like showing that the pieces of the whole rather than the whole. So that's the first thing. The second thing I noticed, yeah, there's a symbol within the peace sign, and it was strange because I was at a church a few weeks ago, and I noticed this woman who was holding a ceremony. She had a symbol on the back of her dress, and I recognised it as one of the runes, and I was thinking, oh wow, she's got a rune on her dress, I wonder what that means. So I looked up the meaning of that rune, and I saw that it meant protection, connection to higher self, connection to God and all this. So it was like spiritual protection and being connected and that kind of thing. And I thought, okay, that makes sense why she would have that on her dress while she's trying to do a ceremony. Okay, so this rune, I basically saw a video the other day of someone with the peace sign on their grave, and I was quite shocked to just see it as a whole, because this symbol is holding a frequency on this person's grave, yeah? And it's actually the rune, which is all about protection and connection to the divine and stuff, which is positive, but they've flipped the rune upside down, so it's the negative inversion. So rather than being protection and connection to the divine, it's actually the opposite of that. So it isn't protection and it isn't connection to the divine. And you'll see how some people would wear the Christian cross upside down as a satanic thing. The Luciferians use the pentagram, the 5-pointed star, upside down. That's the inversion. And so whenever you invert the symbol, like I was saying, it becomes the negative of it. So this peace sign has got basically the whole divided, and it's got this runing that's been inverted upside down that basically is the opposite of protection and connection to the divine. It's weird.